It's been a while I stopped posting videos on the internet, but this morning I feel like after going through Telegram, our Telegram channel, I feel like it's going to be nice if I start making a short video. It doesn't matter if it's long or short, but just something for the people. So I'm going to show you this thing. This isn't right. I shouldn't use this as a sample, but I'm using it. So when you look, this is a web application made by PHP-RAD. Okay, the one of the nice things there is like I can minimize it and come down here. As you can see the icon, I can open it, log in, do the settings and stuff, log out, do the settings, make use of this, and it's cool. And all these things are being made as with the help of PHP-RAD, and we can have it as a desktop application. Now, what is the advantage? When will you be able, how can you do it? The advantage is if you find yourself to work for a company, and the company or has the application has to be installed in many laptops, and instead of you giving them a web address, or maybe you are looking for something to compile the web address or the web application you've done into a desktop application, the good news is there's a short way of doing that, in the sense that this short way will provide you with two things. It's going to make the application to have an icon, in the sense that it's more of you have installed it on the desktop. When you click on the icon, it's going to launch the application. And another thing is that it's going to remove the URL. Normally when you open applications, this application, I'm going to open it with Chrome. So when we open this thing with Chrome, the name is Bullet. It's going to provide you with the URL. You see the URL bar, and to some extent you might not like it, because the users to this can equally manipulate it. They can click on something and do the thing, a lot of things they will do with it, even though you don't want them to do it. You want to restrict them on the buttons you have provided them with. So in order to achieve it, is very, very simple. I'm going to show you a simple step to achieve all these things, and it's going to be amazing. When you start using it, I'm sure that you are going to like it. I mean, you will fall in love with it. Without further ado, let's get started. The first thing first is I'm going to close this thing, and I'm going to select a web application we are going to build. We are going to convert to a desktop app. Actually, it's simple. You can do it per laptop. We are going to use Chrome because Chrome gives us that feature to do it. I'm going to search for Blood Bank. This is just a website. Okay, this is just a simple website made with PHP-RAD. All right, so this web application, I'm going to minimize it, and I'm going to come over here on this small dot. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to hit on more tools. Okay, when I hit on more tools, it gives me the option to create shortcut. So exactly that is what we are coming to do. We are coming to create a shortcut to the application. It is simple. Everybody, you might have heard of it, but if you are not aware that it can make application more pretty, you might not use it even though you know of it. So I just feel like to draw your attention to it, that you can use this shortcut being provided by Chrome, and it's going to create fantastic things. So I'm going to call this thing Blood Bank. Blood Bank, and this is the icon I've chosen. I think you guys know how to change the icons from PHP-RAD. So I use it as, open it as desktop, and I create it. So this is what is going to happen. It has opened it for me as a desktop, and when I come here to my Windows, come here, and if I search Blood Bank, it will come here. Just hit on it, and it's going to open it again. So it's pretty, it's beautiful. I don't know, I can't wait to have you guys using it for an organization or a small business, that kind of POS thing, or kind of an office work. You've made a web application, and you can just install it in the laptop as an application, and all they need is the icon. They just search for the application name and they open it. They don't need the link again. So that is it. I hope you guys will enjoy this one, and once again, good morning.